Hi there, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and we have another very special prize for you guys to take part in. This is a 1974 Kawasaki Z1A. This one can be won on our website, theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. Tickets for this are £2.99 and the draw will take place on the 5th of July, which is a Sunday at 10 PM. So this particular example is all in fully restored condition, had a ground up restoration in 2019. And it's still in top condition. It's one of the best 900 Kawasaki's we've ever done. It's in this really beautiful candy tone green, which has this kind of gold green sparkle to it, and it's one of my favourite Kawasaki colours with that iconic yellow stripe. Runs really well. They take a little bit of warming up, these 900s, but we've warmed it all up, so it's all ready to start and have a little rev, see what you think. Also got the nice 4x4 exhaust system. So we do just turn our ignition key on. It's got a one of the Pinagel taps, which is the best tap you can buy for this. So that's on the left hand side. You just press our button or you can kick it. There we are, starts easily. Have a listen to the engine. Exhaust. Like I said, it still needs a little bit of warming up. I did run it for quite a while, about 20 minutes ago. I started it since the video, still quite a bit of heat in there. So that was revved up to about 6,000 RPM. So you can still hear that it wants clearing out a bit. But when you get on and ride it, you'll soon clear it out. So yeah, if you fancy a really top condition, last year before they transitioned to the Z900, so last year the Z1A, have a ticket on our website, classiccompetitioncompany.com. Tickets are £2.99 and the draw will take place on the 5th of July. If you do enter, thank you as always for your support and good luck.